Hey, Bert! Hey, Bert, I'm home, Bert! Woo-hoo! Oh, Bert, it's me, Ernie. I'm home. Mm-hmm. Bert? Oh, what's that? It's a note. Dear Ernie, I have gone to a pigeon club meeting. See you later, Bert. Gee. Well, I guess I'm all alone then. Oh, Bert's not here. Guess that means I can do anything I want to. Means I can be as loud as I want to be, doesn't it? Means I can turn on the radio nice and loud, too. Ooh. Like this. Oh, I love listening to the loud radio. But you know, Bert, why, if Bert were here, why, Bert would say, Ernie, that radio is too loud. You have to make that radio quieter, Ernie. And then he'd turn it down like this. But then I would say, but Bert, I like listening to the radio loud like this, Bert. Isn't that more fun, Bert? But then Bert would say, Ernie, that's too loud. It's got to be quieter like that, Ernie. But then I would say, but Bert, it's got to be loud like this. See? And you see, Bert isn't actually here to turn the radio down, so I can listen as loud as I want to. Can I, Bert? But I guess loud's just not the same without Bert.